These are the cockerel shafaks. They are from Madagascar, and they are a very rare species in North America. There's only 9 institutions that have them, so we're very lucky and fortunate to be getting them. Cincinnati Zoo's never had shafaks before. This is a young pair. They've never been together. Ronaldo is our male, and he came from LA Zoo, and he is 7 years old. And Wilhelmina is our female, and she's almost 2 years old. And we're hoping that they will breed for the next season. So maybe we'll have a baby in a couple of years. Other zoos that have them are Houston and Sacramento, as well as LA. And all of these zoos got their shafaks from the Duke Lemur Center in Durham, North Carolina. They are mostly foliivores, which means they eat mostly leaves and bark, things like that. So you can see that they love wild sumac. Right now we're giving them some winged sumac. That's one of their favorite things. They also like sweet gum. We've been trying some honeysuckle, some local stuff like mulberry, things like that with them as well. For years I've worked with the black and white rough lemurs, and everybody thought those were Zaboomafoos. So now I think they'll really be like, oh, now that's really Zaboomafoos. So I think the kids will be able to make a connection, and hopefully we'll know a little bit about shafaks already. So it'll be neat for them to get to see them. They are vertical climbers and leapers, so they use their hind legs mostly when they leap across the floor. They'll jump. They can actually jump almost 20 feet from one vertical perch to another. Our exhibit's not quite that big, but they can definitely jump from here to there, and they make it look so easy.